Hello students, today we have to start our practice set 3.3. Okay, so question number 1, find the cube root of the following numbers. We have to find out the cube roots of following numbers. Okay, so first number is 8000. So when we find out the cube root of the number, we have to take the prime factorization of the even number. Okay, so what is the so first of all calculate the prime factorization of the 8000. So how to calculate that is we have to calculate we have to write 8000 like this, and we have to take or we have to divide this by 2 because this number is even number and which number we have to divide it here, that is 2. We have to take the prime number, so even prime number is 2 here. Now next, 2 4s are 8, then all zeros are 8. Then this is also the even number, so we have to multiply by 2 here, so divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4, so 2000 is there. Now next, again divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. Again divided by 2 because this number is even. 2 5s are 10, and then these 2 zeros are there. This is also 500, also the even number, so we have to divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, carry 1. 2 5s are 10, and then 0 is there. Now this is also the divisible by 2. Okay, so we have to take here 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now 125 is not divisible by 2 here. So we have to take the next prime number, that is we have to take here 3. Okay. Or we have to take here 5. We have to this is 125 is divisible by 3? No. 125 is not divisible by 3. So we have to take the next prime number, that is 5. So 5 we have to take. So 5 2s are 10. 2 is there. 5 5s are 25. Then this 25 also divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25. This is also divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. These are the all prime factorization of 8,000. Correct? So we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. 2 into 2. And then 1, 2, 3. 3 times 5. So grouping, groups. These 3 2s are there, these 3 2s are there, and these 3 2s are 3 5 are 3 times 5s are there. Okay. Then 2 raised to 3 we can write it as like this. Okay, because this 2 is appear 3 times. Multiply by this 2 is also appears 3 times, and this 5 is also appears 3 times. So this 3 we can't take because we have to find out the square root. So we have to take only 2 into 2 into 5. Then what is your result? That is 2 into 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. That means we have to take as cube root of 8000. Therefore, we can write it as cube root of 8000 is equal to 20. And this is your answer. Understand this one? Just we have to find out which number is divisible by the particular number. So likewise, we have to find out the prime factorization of 8000, and according to that prime factorization, we have to group the three parts of the numbers, and then we have to get the final answer. Therefore, cube root of 8000 is 20 here. Now next is there, that is next question. If you have to write down this, so take the screenshot. Now next we have to solve the second question. Next number, that is 729. So write down 729 like this. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay. Then 3 2s are 6. Carry 1. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Then 3 3s are 9. Again this number is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. This number is also divisible by 3. Okay. 3 2s are 6. Carry 2. 3 7s are 21. Okay. Then this number is also divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. So this number is also divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. So this number is also divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. So just observe now. We have to get the all prime factorization of this number 7 3 7 to 9. So we can write it as, we have to write like this: 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 1 3 is there. Okay. So group this one. This 3 and this 3. So we have to write like this: 3 3 is 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. So here we can't take the power, that is 3 into 3 we have to take. So what is your answer? That is 9. Okay. So therefore we can write it as cube root of 729 is equal to 9. And this is your final answer. Correct? Okay. Now next one. Next one is here, that is third one. 3 4 3. 3 4 3. Okay. 3 4 3. So we have to do your prime factorization. So 3 4 3. So which number is divisible here? That is 2 is not divisible. 3 is also not divisible. 5 not. Then next is what? What are the prime numbers? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11. So 3 is not there. 5 is also not divisible by this one. Then 7. So 7 is divisible. So divide this 3 4 3 by 7. Then what we get here? 7 4s are 28. Okay, 7 4s are 28. And subtract this 34 minus 28, then what is it? 6. So the remainder is 6. So therefore, now new number is 63. So 7 9s are 63 we have to get. Okay. Then 7, this number is divisible by 7 also. 7 7s are 49. Then again divide this 7 by 1. 7 by 7. So then what is the result? That is 7. So we have to get here 7 into 7 into 7. That means we have to write like this: 7 root raised to 3. That means your answer is 7. So therefore we can write it as cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Understand this one? Okay. Now next, fourth one. That is minus 122. Minus 122. Fourth one, minus 120. Sorry, 512. Minus 512. Next number is minus 512. So do the prime factorization here. So we have to take here minus sign. Okay. So first of all we have to take the positive number as it is. Then after that we have to join the minus sign. Okay. So this number is divisible by 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Carry 1. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. Then 2 6s are 12. Again this number is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 60. Okay. Now next. This number also divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. This is also divisible by 2. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. This number is also divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Then this number is also divisible by 2 8s are 16. This is also divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. This is also divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. This one is also divisible by 2 here. Clear? Then what we get here? That is we have to take the prime factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 2 is repeated 9 times. So write down like this. 9. Okay, and then group this one. 3 groups. Then 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3. We can't take the power here. Therefore, 2 into 2 into 2. That means, what is the result? That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8. So, therefore, we can write it as cube root of minus 125 is equal to minus 8. Okay? Minus 8. Clear? And this is your the final answer. Okay? If you want to write this, so take this screenshot. Then we have to solve the next question. Okay? If you want to write this, take the screenshot. Now, next question is there. That is minus 2744. We have to find out the cube root of minus 2744. Okay? So, I will write this one. Fifth one. Minus 2744. 2744. Then take the prime factorization minus 2744. So this one is divisible by 2. So 2 ones are, we have to take minus sign after the doing prime factorization. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, carry 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now next, this number is also divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 2 6s are 12. Okay. Next, this number is also divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2 3s are 6. Now this number is divisible by 7. Okay. So 7 4s are and 7 9s are. Again, this 7 divisible by 7, 7 7s are. Again, this 7 is divisible by 7, so 1. That means we have to get here prime factorization 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. That means we have to get here 2 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 3. Okay, now 2 raised to 3, we have to take only the numbers, that is 2 into 7, that is your answer is 14. But your number is in negative form. So therefore, when we write the cube root of minus 2744 is equal to minus 14. And this is your answer. Clear? Okay, this is your fifth number question from question number 1. That is, we have to calculate a cube root of minus 2744. Now, you should do the sixth number question. That is, we have to find out the cube root of 32768. 32768. So you should solve this and comment the answer in comment box. Okay. So I hope you have to understand the question number 1. Now in next video we will solve the question number 2. Okay. So thank you students for watching this. I hope you have to understand from this video. So please like it, subscribe it and share to your friends. Thank you.